Hello and welcome to Maya. To create your first object, click one of the 7 primitives up here in the poly modeling shelf. To get a better view, you can tumble the camera around by holding the Alt or Option key and dragging with the left mouse button, pan by Alt middle dragging, or dolly by Alt right dragging. To view a list of objects in your scene, open the outliner. You can select objects here or in the viewport. Then you can view its attributes in either the channel box or the attribute editor. Changing values in either will alter the shape or position of the primitive, depending on which tab you have open. In the case of transform attributes like translate, rotate, and scale, you can alter them interactively using these 3 tools in the toolbox. Finally, you can add or remove complexity from a primitive using the tools in the modeling toolkit or poly modeling shelf. In the next video, we'll show you how to position and modify shapes.